like he's about to kick the bucket to you.
Not even kick the bucket.
By the farm.
Take the cab.
Use the Royal Flight. They keep one plane on permanent standby. Yes, I should keep them.
When I kick the bucket, you get everything.
What? You mean kick the bucket?
Cut corners.
Since the rents are considerably lower, this floor has been adopted by businesses which for one reason or another have been forced to cut corners.
So, yeah, I'm sure you can understand our need to cut corners around here.
I'm afraid we'll just have to bite the bullet on this thing, Clive. I'm in trouble. Bite the bullet, man.
So she decided to bite the bullet and bring her brooding angst along with her.
Virginia, bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet, pal. It'll be okay.
So smooth with him, I probably would have
Never burn bridges. Today's junior prick, tomorrow's senior partner.
So what do you say we cut to the chase?
Okay, cut to the chase. You know what?
Anyway, I will cut to the chase. Let's cut to the chase, shall we? We'll reconvene in 2 weeks' time.
Cut to the chase, partner.